was never born. I created the future until it created me. But I see a narrow way, a path that might have been. What if my mother had obeyed her orders and given birth to a girl? Everything would change. Dr. Yue exposed before his betrayal. A world where my father lives. House Atreides surviving the Battle of Arrakis. Sardaukar deployed to protect the spice melange.
Alright, so we got the 12600K here. The lovely 12600K. It's been a really good CPU since I've owned it. 10 core, 6 performance cores, 4 cores. Pretty good CPU in my opinion. And it's going to be on stock settings with a 3070 Ti. RAM's just at 4,100 megatransfers per second. And the cooling for this is going to be Amazon's cheapest CPU water block for custom water loop. And yeah, if you have not seen that video, I put it up against the 13900K. It's a very, very good CPU water block in my opinion. So yeah, we're going to run the benchmark here. We're just going to go into settings. We're going to check out the graphics. Everything's on ultra and high, and we'll just see just how good this 12600K can do the benchmark for Dune Awakening on ultra settings. So let's get her done. Alright, so the benchmark is done, and as you can see, for player built basis, we're doing a maximum of 118.2, averaging around 90.6 frames per second, and a minimum frames was 62.8. Harku Village was 115.6, 92.2 for the average, 62.3 for the minimum, and Samward Emerges 164.4 frames per second, 130 for average, and for the minimum we're seeing at 103.5. Absolutely amazing. So as you can see, we did a 12600K 3070 Ti. My refresh rate is 165 hertz, so we weren't exactly hitting 165 hertz on the actual frames, but all in all, it still looked really good in my opinion. 32 gigabytes of RAM. That's all I have in it. Again, this is all on ultra settings, all on ultra. Motion blur is off, of course. No one really uses motion blur. Global illumination method performance is high. I mean, absolutely amazing. Everything is high, and ultra and high settings. 12600K 3070 Ti, 4800 megatransfers per second with 32 gigabytes of RAM. It's nothing crazy. It's not even an expensive build for nowadays, and for like a budget processor, the 12600K performs really good. And this CPU block, I'm just being amazed over and over on the CPU block. Yeah, this CPU does not use that much wattage, but it stays very cool throughout the whole runs for everything I've tested so far, and this game is no exception. So Amazon's cheapest CPU block, absolutely amazing. If you want to see any other kind of videos like this, let me know. If you want to see me test out 12600K or overclock to 12600K, overclock the RAM as well, and do an overclock on the 3070 Ti, see what kind of frames we can get, let me know in the comment section below. If you're not part of the Discord channel, take a look at that. Patreon page, definitely take a look at that as well. Again, thank you to all my viewers, subscribers, and donators. You guys are helping out this channel greatly. It has been absolutely amazing over the past few weeks. Again, another splurge of subscribers. So again, thank you very much for that. And that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoy this video, everyone. And again, as always, don't forget to get her done.